you guys, it's Kanisha Harris back with another video. If you haven't already joined the VixenTribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. And today we are going to be doing a hair transformation. You guys, I just want to come and be transparent with you guys about what I've been dealing with my hair growth. I had cut my hair off from being natural, and now I'm tired of relaxer. I'm tired of dealing with the thinning from me wearing so many wigs and doing the glue and stuff. So I'm ready to grow it out and just do a brand new look all over. My boy Keon Washington is going to cut my hair today. He is working on his day off, and so I'm so grateful for him being able to give me a hair transformation. For 2021, I wanted to just work on some self-healing and some self-work and actually find the beauty within myself, not looking for it outside of myself. And honestly, I do not feel comfortable with wearing my own hair. So the challenge is for me to get this haircut. Hopefully I'm in love with it. I've looked at a ton of pictures on Pinterest. So we're gonna see what he comes up with it. I'm gonna let him do his thing. And the next slide you'll see will be at the barbershop getting his haircut together. Keep watching.
Don't feel like putting makeup on my cheeks. Do what I want. Love every single part of my body, top to the bottom. I'm not a supermodel from a magazine. I'm okay with not being perfect, 'cause that's perfect to me. 'Cause that's perfect to me. That's perfect to me. No matter where I go, everybody stares at me. Not into fancy clothes, I'm rocking baggy jeans. Getting too close for comfort, but comfort is what I need. So I eat my body weight in chocolate and ice cream. Maybe I bite my nails and don't think before I speak. Don't fit in any crowd, don't ever get much sleep. I wish my legs were bigger, bigger than New York City. And I love who I want to love, 'cause this love is gender free. Don't feel like putting makeup on my cheeks. Do what I wanna. Love every single part of my body, top to the bottom. I'm not a supermodel from a magazine. No, I'm okay with not being perfect, 'cause that's perfect to me. 'Cause that's perfect to me. 'Cause that's perfect to me. Sometimes I wake up late and don't even brush my teeth. Just wanna stuff my face with leftover mac and cheese. You know I get depressed, are you impressed with my honesty? Still I wear what I wanna, 'cause I'm cool with what's underneath. I wanna kiss someone that I'll never see again. I wanna go somewhere, go there with all my friends. I wanna take my family to go and see Eminem, 'cause my sister's been in love with him since like we were 10. Don't feel like putting makeup on my cheeks. Do what I want. Love every single part of my body, top to the bottom. I'm not a supermodel from a magazine. I'm okay with not being perfect, 'cause that's perfect to me. 'Cause that's perfect to me. 'Cause that's perfect to me. That's perfect to me. Yeah, that's perfect to me.
It's my baby, it's my love. Touching you slowly, love how you hold me. I was a player, that was the old me. I sent to pay ya for something holy. Got naked and showed me, girl, summer's been lonely, yeah. At first, I was hesitant, like a skeleton. You 20, but intelligent. Now all the mother bitches so relevant, oh yeah. 10 lines and some memories. Ooh. Guess someone got the best of me. Ooh. Chef B with the recipe, yeah. With you is a better me. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. Oh yeah. Love you through the better days, love you through the rainy ones. Champion, you #1, yeah, that's true. But I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you, oh yeah. Yes I do, chillin' top floor with a penthouse view. But that don't mean a thing unless I'm next to you. Cause money just money, let's just spend it on you. Next to me, when I'm with you, you bring out the best in me. God made you a twin, but you the one I see. But shout out to Alicia, that's my baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I wrote you a love song, would you sing it? If I need a bail out of jail, would you bring it? If I win, then we're up, if we fail, then we ring it. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I do. Love you through the better days, love you through the rainy ones. Champion, you #1, yeah, that's true. But I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you, oh yeah. That's my baby, yeah. My baby, my baby, yeah. That's my baby, yeah. My baby, my baby, yeah. And that's that thing right there. Yeah, that's mine, girl, I can't share. Maybe I'm selfish, I get a little jealous. I lose my mind when you say that. Balmain silk slip off your back. You get so impatient, yeah. I know you got your cravings, yeah. So tell me you didn't tell all of your girlfriends about this, yeah. Tell me you still think my neighbors don't know, girl, you shouting, yeah. Girl, I know that you've been trying, I swear I'm the proudest, yeah. But the question is, girl, do you think that you could live without it? Without it. Nothing on you when you naked, except the Cartier bracelet. Silhouette through the shower, you 24 hours. Sun peeking through the curtain, knowing with you when you hurting. Baby girl, the world's ours, you 24 hours. And that like baby girl, the world's ours, 24 hours. And that like nothing on you when you naked, except the Cartier bracelet, yeah, yeah. Nothing on you when you naked. Got a pretty little heart, I don't wanna break it. Girl, I just wanna save you. Swear to God, thank the Lord every day that He made you. Other girls try to flex, they don't faze you. Break it down with my thumbs and we blaze, ooh. Get rough, I'ma stay through, stay through. Cause she rare, oh yeah. The way she looking in the mirror unfair. You know we couldn't even make it up the stairs. Had to hit it right there. Nothing on you when you naked, except the Cartier bracelet. Silhouette through the shower, you 24 hours. Sun peeking through the curtain, knowing with you when you hurting. Baby girl, the world's ours, 24 hours. Like baby girl, the world's ours, 24 hours. And like Cartier bracelet, yeah, yeah.
Hey you guys, this is the final cut. Let's do a .360 angle. Feel like I'm about to break my back just to try to show you guys this cut, but I really like it, y'all. So my problem areas, like right here and over here, I did what wasn't shown on the video. This is by Mellow, and it's called Tinted Brow Gel. It's a brown color, kind of. This is what it looks like. Let's get up close. But it's like a dark brown, and it's for the brows, but I just filled in the areas that haven't grown in yet, that I feel like is my problem areas. I filled that in right there. So I'm definitely going to be wearing both sets of my earrings. I'm thinking about getting a bar, but I heard they hurt, so I don't know. But I'm really like feeling this haircut. And I'm excited and happy that I like it, because for me, this is like a self-love journey. So what's the better way of loving yourself is loving yourself with your own natural hair. Y'all, I'm working on the makeup because right now I ain't been drinking water and my skin is looking horrible. So with my skin and face being fully exposed now, I'm definitely gonna have to drink more water. I know for a fact I'm definitely gonna have to start doing my eyebrow routines more often. Like, you cannot have your eyebrows an arch when you wearing short hair to me. It's just a vibe. So these necklaces I put on today, it's like one is like a choker. So I'm definitely gonna be like probably wearing a little bit more jewelry just to accentuate like everything else. But I love that it shows like my cheekbones. I like it. I like it. So I'm definitely thinking about doing a skunk streak to follow the design this week. Keon will be doing that for me also, so we'll definitely film that. I hope you guys love the video. Keon is super dope with how he records videos and how he edits and all of that. So I'm excited to show you guys my new haircut, my new journey to self-work and self-love for 2021. It is December we're gonna see how long it took me to get the video up. December the 27th today. So I decided to do this a little bit before New Year's, but it is something that I'm working on for my 6 months of love that I'll be sharing with you guys. Make sure if you haven't joined the Vixen Tribe already, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment below if you feel the cut or not. Either way, just comment below. See you guys next video. Bye.